Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 6, Section 1. This is our slide presentation about report and valuation for vacant land. My name is Nur Sofia Atika binti Aizam Nizam, and my group members is Muhammad Zuhnun Al-Misri bin Muhammad Yusuf, Nurul Raudah Umaira Ayuni binti Muhammad Ghazali, Nur Amni binti Bahari, and the last one Raihana Akila binti Hamidi. Next, in pursuance to the instruction later issued by Bank Muamalat Berhad to value the above captioned property, we confirm that we have inspected the property on 22 May 2022, taken all relevant particular, made the necessary investigation, and now submit our report and valuation.
The purpose of report and evaluation. This report and evaluation is prepared for the purpose of financing use. This should be used only for stated purpose and should not be used for any other purpose except that mentioned above without our prior written consent. Next, the date of valuation. For the purpose of this valuation, the material date of valuation should be the date of inspection as mentioned above, which is 12 June 2022. The scope of work this report and valuation is prepared to determine the market value, for sale value, and fire insurance value for the subject property. And the inspection and referencing, the external and internal inspection of the subject conducted on 12 June 2022 by Muhammad Zuhnun Al-Misri bin Muhammad Yusuf. We go to the next part, which is location of the property. District Hulu Langat and State Selangor. For surrounding, there consists of residential and commercial area surrounded by small part of light industry, factory and agricultural farming.
Description of the subject property. Category of land use is agriculture for single-story terrace house, double-story terrace house and building. The land area is 5.28 acres. Particulars of title. Title number HSM 36369, lot number 6436, locality Batu 20 1/2 Hulu Langat, Mukim Semenyih, District Hulu Langat, State at Selangor. Provisional land area 5.28 acres. Annual rent is RM31. Category of land use agriculture, 10 years 60-year leasehold. Registered owner by LXT. Income range charged to Minister of Finance Malaysia, registered on 27th of June 2023. Express condition, this land shall be used as the site for a type of permanent residence and commercial purpose according to the plan approved by the relevant local authority. Restriction interest. This title is subject to the provisions of the National Land and to express condition and restriction. Endorsement nil. Next, planning provision. Subject property is set used for manufacturing purpose, located in the industrial zone area. Public utilities and services. Public facilities for property like electricity, water supply, telephone service. Transportation needs to be built specifically for truck road. Occupancy status. The property is unoccupied. Occupancy rate is 100%.
Basic of valuation, market value. Estimate amount for which an asset or liability should exchange on the valuation that between a willing buyer and a willing seller in an arm's length transaction after proper marketing where the parties had each act knowledgeably, prudently and without compulsion. For sale value, amount that may reasonably be received from the sale of property under forced sale conditions that do not meet all the criteria of a normal market transaction. Fire insurance value, recommend sum as current reinstatement for the cost of a new building, which is including the cost of destruction, the building and clearing operates plus the professional fees. Methods of valuation. comparison method. Determine the value of the property being valued by comparing and adapting as yardstick recent transaction and seller service evidence involving other similar properties in the vicinity. The factor, location, plot size, improvement made if any, surrounding development, facilities and amenities available. Opinion of value, location HSM 36369, lot 6436, Batu 22 1 Palang 2, Ulu Langat, Semengih, Selangor. Market value single story terrace house RM 499,653. Market value double story terrace house RM 810,810. Office building RM 356,328.
Other than that, the building specifications for single-story terrace house that we look, which is main structure, roofing, walls, ceilings, windows, doors, flooring, wall tiles, sanitary fitting and plumbing, painting, fencing and gates, and the last one is electrical system.
Next part is density. Only the 70% of land can use to be developed. 10 units of terrace house in 1 acre. The table show the calculation of density. Next, comparison method. To determine the current market value, compare the similar property, 3 similar property used. We can see the comparison between 3 evidence in the table 1, table 2 and table 3. For residual method, firstly, we need to find the gross development value, GDV. So, table 1, table 2, table 3 and table 4 are the calculation using the residual method.
That's all from us. Thank you.